Welcome to today's video, food lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Mexican cuisine. From the rich flavors of tacos to the bold spices of tamales, Mexican food is loved around the world. But as much as it brings joy to our taste buds, not all Mexican dishes are created equal. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 tasty Mexican foods you absolutely must try, and of course we can't forget the top 10 worst Mexican foods. So sit tight, grab your favorite salsa, and let's begin this delicious journey through Mexico's culinary landscape. At number 10 is sopes. These thick fried corn cakes are topped with refried beans, lettuce, cheese, sour cream, and your choice of meat. They're the perfect handheld snack or meal that packs all the flavor into one bite. Number 9. There's nothing like a warm, crispy quesadilla. A tortilla stuffed with melted cheese and your choice of fillings, from mushrooms to meats, and even squash blossoms. They're simple, but when done right, they're pure magic. A little salsa and guacamole on the side, and you've got yourself a winner. Number 8. For something hearty, there's pozole. This traditional Mexican soup is made with hominy corn and either pork or chicken. It's served with an array of toppings like radishes, lettuce, lime, and dried oregano. It's often enjoyed during celebrations and is a true taste of Mexico's comfort food. Number 7, ceviche is a refreshing and light option. Fresh seafood, typically shrimp or fish, is marinated in lime juice and mixed with tomatoes, onions, and cilantro. The acidity of the lime cooks the seafood, creating a burst of flavors that's perfect for a hot day. It's light, zesty, and absolutely delicious. Number 6. Enchiladas are a Mexican food favorite that never gets old. Tortillas filled with meats, cheese, or beans, rolled up and topped with a delicious sauce, usually red or green. Whether you enjoy them mild or spicy, enchiladas are perfect for any occasion, served with a side of rice and beans for a full meal. Number 5 is chiles rellenos. Poblano peppers are stuffed with cheese, meats, or beans and then fried. They're often bathed in a tangy tomato sauce, making them a perfectly balanced dish that's both savory and satisfying. These are comfort food at its finest. Number 4. What's Mexican food without guacamole? This creamy, zesty avocado dip is a crowd favorite. Whether you're pairing it with tortilla chips or spreading it on your tacos, guacamole brings a fresh and vibrant flavor to any meal. Add a squeeze of lime and some spicy jalapenos for that extra zing. Number 3. Tamales are a staple of Mexican cuisine. Corn dough or masa, filled with meats, cheese, or even sweet fillings like chocolate or pineapple, all wrapped up in corn husks and steamed to perfection. Whether you're enjoying them for breakfast or at a holiday gathering, tamales always hit the spot. In number 2, we have mole poblano. This rich, dark sauce, made from chilies, chocolate, and a mix of spices, is often served with chicken or turkey. It's complex, deep, and oh so satisfying. If you love sauces with a kick, mole poblano should be on your must-try list. At number 1, we've got the beloved tacos al pastor. These tacos are a Mexican classic, with marinated pork cooked on a vertical spit similar to shawarma, giving them a unique blend of smoky, sweet, and savory flavors. Topped with pineapple, onions, and cilantro, this is a taco you won't want to miss. Now that we've covered the tastiest and most beloved Mexican foods that delight people around the world, let's shift our attention to a completely different side of the culinary experience. In this next section, we're going to dive into the darker, less appetizing, and sometimes downright disappointing items that appear on certain menus. Get ready as we uncover the top 10 worst Mexican foods, exploring which dishes fail to impress and why they often leave diners feeling underwhelmed. Number 10 is caldo de res, or beef soup, is hearty but can be too greasy for some. The broth, while flavorful, tends to be very rich, and the large chunks of meat and vegetables can be overwhelming for anyone not used to such a heavy dish. Number 9, tacos de canasta are tacos that are soaked in sauce and then wrapped up in plastic to steam. They can get soggy and lose their texture, making them less than ideal for those who prefer their tacos crispy and fresh. Plus, the texture may not be up to everyone's standards. Number 8, rajas con crema is a dish made with strips of poblano peppers cooked in cream. While it sounds simple enough, the overwhelming creaminess and the soft texture of the peppers can be too rich for some. It's more of a side dish, but not everyone will appreciate its flavors. Number 7, tacos de lengua, or beef tongue tacos, are another acquired taste. While they're tender and flavorful, many people are put off by the idea of eating tongue. It's not exactly the most appetizing cut of meat for most. Number 6 is pembazo. It may look enticing with its red, sauce-soaked bread and tasty fillings. It's often too soggy and messy. It can be hard to enjoy with all the moisture, and the heavy bread might not sit well with everyone. Number 5, a less well-known but certainly unique dish is sopa de lágrimas, which literally translates to soup of tears. It's made from an assortment of leftover meats and vegetables, which can create a pretty weird, mushy texture and a confusing combination of flavors. Not the most appetizing, we'd say. Number 4, huaraches are thick. Fried tortillas topped with various ingredients. While they sound tasty, they can often be too heavy and greasy, especially with too much cheese or fatty meats. It's a bit of an overkill if you're craving something lighter. Number 3. If you're feeling adventurous, you might come across chapulines or fried grasshoppers. While they're a delicacy in some regions of Mexico, their crunchy, earthy flavor can be off-putting for those not used to eating insects. They're often served on tacos, but you'll have to be brave to give them a try. Number 2. Speaking of tripe, let's talk about tacos de tripa. These tacos are filled with the intestines of cows. While the seasoning can be great, the chewy texture and strong flavor are too much for some to handle. Not everyone's cup of tea, to say the least. Number 1, let's kick things off with menudo. This dish is made from beef tripe, yes, cow stomach, and cooked in a spicy broth. While some swear by it, menudo has a very strong taste and texture that isn't for everyone. If you're not a fan of organ meats, you might want to skip this one. So, there you have it. The top 10 tasty and top 10 worst Mexican foods. Whether you're a fan of the bold and spicy or you prefer to stick to something simple, there's a wide variety of Mexican dishes to try. What do you think? Are there any foods on the worst list you actually enjoy? Or maybe some tasty favorites you think should have made the cut? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another delicious episode.